Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope so you are fine and doing well. Dear students, as in the previous lecture you have learned about the types of the fraction as revision. Today we are going to start the next topic as revision, that is change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now in this topic there are two concepts. First one is mixed fraction and second one is improper fraction. So I will revise the mixed fraction and improper fraction very quickly with the help of these diagrams. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is actually made up of a whole and a proper fraction. This first circle represents the whole because all the parts are shaded. This circle is divided into four equal parts and all the four parts are used, so that's why this circle will be written as one whole. Second circle represents the fraction 1 by 4 because total circle is divided into total 4 equal parts and one part is used as a shaded part. So 1 out of 4, it means 1 by 4. As in this fraction numerator is less than denominator, that's why this fraction is called proper fraction. So mixed fraction is actually made up of a whole and a proper fraction. So when we will write the mixed fraction, we will write it in this form. This is the form of the mixed fraction: whole and a proper fraction. 1 whole and 1 by 4 is a proper fraction, so 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Clear? So this is the form of the mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction you can use the whole as 1 or 2 or 3, it's up to you, but mixed fraction should be the combination of a whole and a proper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction with the when the numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. In this example, in this diagram, as you can see, numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is 6 and denominator is 4. 6 is greater than 4, it means this one is an improper fraction. As this one is a whole and all the four parts of the whole are used over here, and this one is again a same whole and two parts are shaded over here. That's why total 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are shaded. That's why the numerator is 6 and denominator is 4. So that's why this one is an improper fraction. Now the topic is change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. It means this type of the fraction will be given and you have to convert it into improper fraction. So let's start. I will explain you this concept with the help of an example. As example is 3 5 by 7. What is the example? 3 5 by 7. In this 3 5 by 7 is actually a mixed fraction, and in this mixed fraction this 5 is a numerator, this 7 is the denominator, and this 3 is a whole. So whole and 5 by 7 is actually a proper fraction because 5 is less than 7. So 3 5 by 7, 3 is the whole, 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator, and this whole fraction is called proper fraction. So this is the combination of a whole and a proper fraction. That's why this is called mixed fraction. This is called mixed fraction. Clear? Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's start how to convert it. Firstly, I will write the given fraction, that is 3 5 by 7. To convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, firstly we will multiply this denominator by the whole number. This 7 is the denominator, so we will multiply this denominator by this whole. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21, and then we will add this into the numerator of the proper fraction. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. So the answer is 26. Our new numerator is 26. So what is over here? We will firstly multiply the denominator by the whole, and then we will add this answer into the numerator of the proper fraction. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. Now this 26 is actually our new numerator. This 26 is our new numerator. This 26 is the new numerator, so we will write it as a numerator, new numerator over the denominator. So 26 is our new numerator and 7 is our denominator. Now 26 by 7 is an improper fraction. This one is an improper fraction. Why? Because in this fraction 26 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator, and 26 is greater than 7. That's why this one is called improper fraction. So this one is very easy and simple method to convert, to change the mixed fraction into improper. Mixed fraction was 3 5 by 7. Now this mixed fraction has been converted into an improper fraction. Got it? Now I will solve one more example for you over here. 6 4 by 11. 6 4 by 11. 6 is the whole, 4 is the numerator, 11 is the denominator. So according to the rule, firstly we will multiply this denominator by the whole. We will multiply this denominator by the whole number. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66, and then we will add this answer in the numerator. So 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. It means our new numerator is 70. So firstly we will multiply the denominator by the wholes. 11 6 are 66. Then add this answer in the numerator of the proper fraction. So 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. Now our new numerator is 70 and denominator will be the same, 11. Now given mixed fraction was 6 4 by 11, and after converting it into improper fraction we got 70 by 11. In 70 by 11, as you can see, 70 is greater than 11. That's why this one is improper fraction. This is called improper fraction. Why? Because 70 is the numerator is greater than denominator. That's why this is called improper fraction. Clear? So dear student, this one was a very easy concept. You have to do the assignment will be attached with this lesson. Solve that assignment by yourself by this method. If you will face any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.